Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this Scarab Pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Ghoul Garden update. Okay guys, before I'm show you the ability, I'm going to show you how the Scarab Pet looks like. Okay, and then I'm going to see the ability of this Scarab. Okay, and basically it can increase the growth size, but it's only for the spooky type plants. And yeah, it's not bad, but this is not my favorite. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back to my inventory. And okay. And then yeah, you will use the Scarab Pet for the secret ritual, guys, so make sure that you have it and you can use it for the secret ritual need some items, and one of them is this scarab. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.